everyone, I'm Meg Burczynski and I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant. I wanted to share one of my favorite Norwex products with you today. I'd say this one gets the most use out of all of my Norwex products. I use it a couple of times a day. So today I'm going to share with you the Norwex counter claws. These are a great replacement for things like paper towels, Lysol wipes, and things that you're using for general cleaning in your household. So I like to use these damp for general cleaning, obviously on countertops, my kitchen table, it works great. You can also use these dry for soaking up spills. They're really absorbent. They're a nice small size. My daughter likes to use these to help with cleaning. I have a 2-year-old. And these are also great for cleaning up after your kids. So this is a common thing that we use after mealtime to clean up my daughter after mealtime with a damp counter cloth. So since these are used in a similar way to paper towels, I thought let's do a direct comparison to paper towels and see how it holds up. So if you look, one counter cloth is about the same size as what would be like a half sheet paper towel. And I want to see which of these is more absorbent. So we'll see which works better. So what I have, I've got 2 containers. I'm going to pour a 1/3 cup of water in each container. 1/3 cup there. And again, I have a 1/3 cup. Put that here. So let's start with a counter cloth. We'll use this nice blue color. So I'm going to put this in and we'll see if it can absorb the water. We'll see how many counter cloths we need. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right in. And that is already absorbing up a lot of the water in this dish. Okay, so one counter cloth took care of almost all of the water. I'm going to go for a second one. And I think that will just about do it. Yep, that second one just took care of any remaining drops that were in the bottom of the container. Okay, so I would say you could pretty much get that done with one counter cloth. I needed just a little bit more to get the extra moisture at the bottom. So now let's compare to paper towels. Remember, this is the same size as that counter cloth. So here's one paper towel. Okay, let's do a second paper towel. Okay, so quite a bit of water in there. Go for a 1/3. Okay, I'm up to 3. That's more than I needed as far as the counter claws went. Okay, still quite a bit of water. I'm going to go for a 4th. Let's see how we're doing. Still water in the bottom. Let's go for 5. Oops, I lost part of that one. Okay, I am up to 5. See how we're doing. Still water in the bottom. Let's go for 6. Okay. All right, so 6 just about got all of it. I hopefully will be done with 7. All right, I think with 7, that just about got all of it. There still is a little bit of water left in the bottom here that those paper towels couldn't quite soak up. So if we compare, I needed 7 or even more than 7 half-size paper towel sheets, and I needed approximately 1 of the counter cloths, maybe 2, just to make sure I fully absorbed all of the water. So that's a lot more paper towels than counter cloths. So paper towels are pretty wasteful. So the counter cloths are reusable. So that's going to save you money, obviously, over time. It also helps to protect the environment by reducing our paper towel consumption. So I was looking up some statistics about paper towels just because I know that our family in particular has been very wasteful with them. And the statistic that I found says to supply North America's paper towel habit, every day, 51,000 trees and 60 million gallons of water are needed to supply North America's paper towel habit. That's every day, 51,000 trees and 60 million gallons of water. So the counter cloths are obviously a much more sustainable option. And these are actually made from 50% recycled materials, which I think is awesome. They're made from recycled plastic bottles. So these are much more environmentally friendly than any paper towels that you can purchase are going to be. These dry quickly. I like they've got the little loop here you can hang to dry. They have backlock in them, which means that they self-purify to inhibit bacteria, mold, and mildew. I also wanted to show you, you might have noticed this to the side here, this is our counter cloth box, and I love this. I think it looks super cute, keep it in my kitchen. So you could also hang a wet cloth to dry over the top of your counter cloth box. And this does hold, I believe, up to 12 counter cloths. So this makes it really easy for me to just grab and go with my claws in the kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed this demo of the Norwex counter claws. Thanks for watching.